time to show you how this thing works. So step one would be to cleanse the skin. I'm using the micellar water from Aspect. And just pop it onto either a cotton round. I'm using a Fibrella, and then we're just wiping over the skin, getting rid of all makeup and the daily grime. So you're prepping the skin to apply your antioxidant serums. I'm going to be using the Skin Matrix Skin Perfection Serum. This one here. So this has got licorice, green tea, vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, vitamin C. It's a really good brightening all-in-one serum. Fantastic for sensitive skins. Hydrates the skin beautifully with hyaluronic acid, and it's really soothing and calming and hydrating. Really good to use with the Rejuva 3. So I'm just going to apply 2 pumps. Right under the eyes, all over. Because the idea is that the Rejuva 3 is going to penetrate these serums and moisturiser deeper into the skin, so it's making your skincare more effective. Then I'm going to pop on our Ultra Dry, which I love. This is I use this every day. I'm probably using about 1.5 pumps. I pop that on. And just another little tip, when you're applying your serums and moisturiser, it's really good to give your skin, if you have the time, a bit of a massage. It's good to increase the blood flow, which will also allow for a better product penetration. All right, so you're all prepped. Now we're going to keep the skin moist. Because the Rejuva 3 contains or has microcurrent, you need to keep the skin moist to enable that current to conduct. So usually what I do is just spritz 1/2 of the face. 3 to 5 squirts. Now we come to the device. So first we're going to choose what setting we're going to use. So the top button, you can choose 1, 2, 3 or 4. I generally go between a 2 and a 3. I've got some clients that are able to handle a 4. It's not about using, number 4 is going to be the best. It's whatever you're most comfortable with. So I'm going to choose a 2. See how I go. And then we're going to go to the LED selection, which is the bottom button. And I'm going to choose red, which is the longest wavelength of LED of light, and it helps to stimulate collagen. So it's really good for anti-aging. And there's also blue. So if you have acne, then I would be choosing the blue setting. And then we're ready to start. So start on the lower half of the face. And I'm just going to give it a little bit more of a spritz, because you want it to glide with ease across the skin. And you're going to go from the inside to the outside. And I go usually 3 times is enough, because the machine will turn off after 10 minutes. So you want to dedicate 5 minutes to each side of the face. And just for those gels, I'm going to go along the jawline as well. So you'll feel a little bit of warmth with the device. That is radio frequency. Sorry if my face is getting contorted as we're doing this, because it does give, it's a very, very strange feeling, but it feels good. That's the microcurrent. So radio frequency helps to tighten your existing collagen fibers. It will give a little bit of collagen stimulation, but the main principle behind radio frequency is that we're tightening your existing collagen fibers, which means firmer and more elastin in the skin. And I don't generally go any higher to the eye than where I am right now, which is pretty much at the side of the nose.